Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam courses. In that lecture we're going to talk about C-axis options. I'm going to turn to isometric perspective and then I can click the C plane and I can hit the right perspective here, and then let's create some polygon here. Okay, this is the sides, it's a 6, this is my radius. I can click here and then I can write my radius again here. Okay, so after that of course we can turn to top view. I can click the 3D to be able to turn to 2D options. We are working on the top plane. X and Y axis is active right now, so I can click to organize my Z position. So we are working on the top plane. This is my Z axis, and then I can click here to create my line. Okay, that can be 15, and then I can create my radius here. My radius can be 8 mm. Okay, that's fine. After that we can turn to 0, 3D and to right plane. Okay, we can turn to transform and rotate options, and then actually we can create one and rotation options with both options. Okay, I can activate that one, both sides. Okay, we can use the clear color and then we can turn to top view again. Okay, I can delete it. Actually, while we are creating our C-axis drilling options, we can create circle, or we can also be able to create our point to be able to create our toolpath actually. So I can turn to 2D and we can write here minus and 50 here, and then I can turn to right view again and wireframe and point position. So I can click the midpoint of that line, and then that point is projected minus and 50 mm. We can also click here and here. Okay, that's fine. We can turn to 0 again and 3D. It's a C plane. I can turn to the top view. Okay, machine, CNC Lathe and default machine. So let's use right mouse button and Lathe toolpath, C-axis and C-axis drilling options. So I can click that circle and that circle and that circle. We can also click that point and that point. Okay, this is arc 1, arc 2, arc 3, point 4, point 5 and point 6, and we can click the OK button. After that we can create our tool. While we are creating our tool, we can use the drilling options with 6 mm diameter, and this is my feed rate and this is my spindle speed. And then actually we can turn to linking parameters. It can be clearance plane incremental 15, incremental 10 mm according to my drilling position. That's gonna be and organized automatically. And then we can write 1 here as a top of stock, incremental 1, and incremental minus 7 is a drilling position according to my geometry, and it means that we're gonna cut and that's area. After that we can turn to rotary axis, so I can organize my rotary diameter, can be 70 mm, and then we can click the OK button. So let's see the simulation, what we did. This is my drilling process 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 as a point. We can also click here and then we can organize it For example, we can use the first drilling process here. And that point, I'm gonna use that one, that's one, that's one, and that's one. Okay, we can also change our drilling position by using that stuff. Okay, and thank you very much for listening to me. I really appreciated your interest.